Mike picked up the TV remote. He tried to change the channel. Nothing happened. He pressed the buttons again. Still nothing. The batteries were dead. He knew there were spare batteries somewhere. There was a drawer in the kitchen where things like that always ended up. He opened it. It was full, the way it always was. He could see rubber bands, old pins, a small flashlight, some coins, and a few batteries all mixed together. He moved things around slowly, looking for the right size. He found some batteries. He checked them. They were the wrong kind. He kept looking. Near the back of the drawer, he found something else. He picked it up. It was a small piece of paper, a cinema ticket. He turned it over. He could still read the name of the film. He remembered it right away. He and his wife went to see that film together. It was a few years ago now. It was winter. He remembered standing outside the cinema in the cold, waiting for her. They had dinner first, at a small Italian restaurant around the corner. He ordered a pasta he had never tried before. It had garlic and olive oil and a little chili. It was very good. It started to rain on the walk home. They did not have an umbrella. They ran to the nearest shop and stood inside the door until the rain slowed down. He stood in the kitchen holding the ticket. He was thinking about that evening. He did not know why he kept it. Maybe he put it in his pocket and just forgot. He put the ticket back where he found it. He closed the drawer. Then he remembered why he came to the kitchen. He opened the drawer again. He moved a few things and found 2 batteries at the back. They were the right size. He went back to the living room and put the batteries in the remote. He pointed it at the TV. It worked. He sat down on the sofa. His wife was still reading in the other room. He did not say anything about the ticket, but he was thinking about that Italian restaurant. He wondered if it was still there.